Good morning, students. Welcome back to our class. Today we can start chapter 7, Disease and Hygiene. Okay. In this lesson, we are going to learn about types of diseases, that is communicable and non-communicable diseases, then the examples, modes of transmission of diseases, and the ways to prevent these diseases. And also the ways to keep the surroundings clean, then safe disposal of garbage, healthy practices for hygiene, etc. Okay. So students, we know that a person is said to be healthy if we are not suffering from any diseases. Okay. When a person can work hard, interact well with the people, and people can adapt to changes and stresses of life. They can adapt to the changes and stresses of the life and also enjoy the leisure. Then we can say they are good in health. That is, if a person is not suffering from disease and also he can do all type of works, he can do all the activities, he can enjoy the life and also can adapt to the changes and the stresses of life, then only we can say that that person is healthy. Okay, so we can define health as it is a state of health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. It is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. Okay, so health means it is not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. That is a health means it is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Physically, he will be fit. Mentally, he will be okay, and how they interact with the people. So all these include. If a person is having all these abilities, then we can say that that person is healthy. So health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. Okay, so you have to learn this definition. Okay, mark it. A healthy human being has some common features. What are the features of a healthy person? A healthy person should have clear skin, bright and clear eyes, then body, normal body weight. That is, body neither too fat nor too thin, fresh breath, good appetite, sound sleep, then regular bowel movements, regular activity of bladder and bowels, okay, regular toilet habits, and coordinated body movements. These are the features of a healthy person. Okay, this is the common features of a healthy person. Okay, then what is in the disease? What is disease? Disease means the meaning of disease is not at ease, not at ease, not comfortable. Okay, so disease literally means not being in a comfortable state. Disease means we are not in a comfortable state. There is some disturbance. Our body is disturbed in somewhat. Okay, that disturbance is that is any physical or functional changes in the body from a normal state which cause discomfort or disability is called a disease. So what is a disease? Disease means any physical or functional change in the body from a normal state which causes discomfort or disability. That is a disease. That is called a disease. Okay. And disease can occur in different ways. Different reasons are there. What are the reasons which causes disease? That is, if we live in an unhygienic environment, we are affected with any type of disease. And if we are not taking a balanced diet, we will affect with some deficiency diseases. And consuming tobacco, alcohol or drugs also causes diseases. Then infection by germs, microorganisms. Okay, the disease causing agents are the microbes. Microbes means disease causing agents. So the infection by microbes also cause diseases. If our body parts or organs are not functioning properly, that also results in disease. Okay, then allergic reactions due to some substances. Some substances causes allergy to us. So that also make uncomfortable to us. That cause diseases. Okay, so we can define disease as disease is a departure from normal health. It is a departure from normal health through structural or functional disorder of the body. Disease is a departure from normal health through structural or functional disorder of the body. If our body is not functioning properly, any organ of our body is not functioning properly, or if any physically if we are if in our organ or body part is not well, then we can say that we are not in a comfortable state. That is disease. We are affected with some disease. Okay, so what is a disease? Disease is a departure from normal health through structural or functional disorder of the body. Okay, mark it for studying. Okay, you have to study the definition for health and disease. Okay, and next is categories of diseases. Categories of diseases. Mainly, there are two major categories of diseases. They are communicable or infectious diseases. Communicable or infectious diseases. And next is non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Okay, non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Okay, so diseases are categorized into two. They are communicable or infectious diseases and non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Okay, what is a communicable disease? Children, we know that diseases are caused by some microorganisms. That is, they are the disease causing germs. So these disease causing germs are called pathogens. So disease causing germs are called pathogens. Okay, so disease causing germs are the underline that pathogen. So what is my pathogen? Pathogens are the disease causing germs. Okay, so communicable diseases are affected by or caused by pathogens. So these germs, they transmitted to different persons through some agencies. They need some agencies to enter our body. That is air, water, insect bites, contaminated food, etc. So when the pathogens or the germs enter into the air or water or food or biting of the insects. They enter into our body. So the pathogens are transmitted through these different agencies. Okay, so communicable diseases are the diseases which are easily spread from one person to another. Communicable diseases are spread from one person to another. They are caused by disease-causing germs called pathogens. Okay, so what is meant by communicable diseases? The diseases which can easily spread from one person to another or one infected person to a healthy person is called communicable or infectious diseases. Okay, underline that. Okay, so what is my communicable disease? The diseases that can be easily spread from, or the diseases which can be spread from one infected person to a healthy person is called communicable diseases. They are spread through pathogens or disease causing germs or microbes. Okay, and examples of some of the examples of communicable diseases are cholera, viral fever, chickenpox, malaria, etc. These are the examples for communicable diseases. Okay, so I have to study what is communicable disease and their examples. Okay, so the diseases which spread from infected person to a healthy person is called communicable diseases, and they are spread through pathogens or disease causing germs. Examples cholera, viral fever, chickenpox, etc. Okay, and next is non communicable or non infectious diseases. These diseases, they are not caused by any germs. Non-communicable diseases are not caused by germs, so they will not spread from one person to another, isn't it? Okay, so that's disease-causing germs. They enter into food, water, and insects. Okay, so when they enter into the body of the insects or food or water or air, they can transmit from one person to another. Okay, so the non-communicable diseases are not caused by these germs, so they are not transmitted from one person to another. Okay, so the diseases which are not caused by germs or the diseases which are not spread from one person to another is called non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Okay, and how do they cause? How do these non-communicable diseases are caused? They are caused either due to the improper functioning of the body organs or some deficiency of certain vitamins or minerals. So deficiency of nutrients and improper functioning of the body causes non-communicable diseases. Okay, so non-communicable diseases are the diseases which do not spread from one person to another, and they are not caused by germs. Okay, and they are caused mainly due to the improper functioning of our body organs and deficiency of nutrients. Clear? And examples of non-communicable diseases are rickets, diabetes, heart diseases, etc. Okay, so these are the non-communicable diseases. Some of the non-communicable diseases are rickets, diabetes, heart diseases, beriberi, night blindness, etc. Many are there. Okay, so you have to study what is non-communicable diseases and some of the examples. Okay, so the diseases are categorized into two. They are communicable or infectious diseases and non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Communicable disease means the diseases which can be spread from one person to another, that is one infected person to a healthy person through microbes or disease causing germs. They are the pathogens. Which are the pathogens? They are bacteria, fungi, virus, etc. Examples. Some of the examples of communicable diseases are cholera, viral fever, chickenpox, malaria, etc. And non-communicable diseases are not caused by any germs or pathogens. Okay, so the diseases which do not spread from one person to another are called non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Okay, so they are also called, they are non-transmissible. They are non-transmissible. Okay, and they are caused due to the improper functioning of the body and also due to the deficiency of some nutrients. Examples: rickets, diabetes, heart diseases, beriberi, night blindness, etc. Okay. Okay, students, that's about today. So today we have taken what is health and what is disease and categories of diseases, that is communicable and non-communicable diseases. So read these portions well. So study well about the definition of health and diseases and differentiation of communicable and non-communicable diseases and their examples. Okay, students, we can see you next class. Thank you.